Hey guys, thanks for joining me. So as I work on my 2019 lawn care program, I kind of reflect on a lot of the things I learned in the 2018 lawn care season through trial and error, and just through a lot of the things that I learned from the people in this lawn care community, specifically Matt Martin and John Perry. One of the most fascinating things I learned about this past year was just learning about the soil structures and how it interacts with the plants, whether it be grass or trees or whatever. John Perry just does an excellent job at teaching this for anybody to learn. I'm just a DIYer, but I think, you know, it's very easy for me to understand, and I don't really have that in-depth background that like some of the professionals do. But through the series that he's done with the soil, and now he's doing a series called Weeds in My Lawn, What Are They Telling You? I was reminded about a philosophy that I kind of utilized when I was in the medical field, when I was practicing as an athletic trainer. The philosophy of looking globally, acting locally, but treating globally. It's essentially the philosophy is about correcting the root of a problem rather than just continuing to treat symptoms of a problem. And that's what I'm going to try to do this over this next 2019 lawn care season. As I'm, for one, going to get a soil test. That's something I didn't get a chance to do last year, and I'm going to look at that soil structure. So I'm looking globally, and then throughout the year I'm going to have weeds and fungus that will most likely pop up, probably some dry spots as well, and I'm going to act locally on some of those spots. So I'm going to act, you know, on some of those symptoms that may be coming up due to some poor soil structure. But then throughout the year I'm going to be treating globally, so I'm treating that soil structure to essentially hopefully help eliminate some of the root problems of the weeds or fungus or dry spots that continue to happen year after year in my lawn. I really love this philosophy because I think we're going to get more long lasting effects when trying to correct a problem. And when it comes to lawn care, I think correcting that soil structure and building that soil structure, as I've learned, we're going to get a much healthier lawn, and a much healthier lawn for a longer period of time. So I hope that you can maybe take some of this information and maybe this thought process into your own 2019 lawn care season and lawn care programs. As a DIYer or whoever you may be watching this video, and I hope it's maybe helpful for you guys. I wanted to thank John Perry for all the information he gives out on his channel. I'll link to his channel in the description below. It's called Lawncology, and I'll also link put a link to the videos of the soil series he's doing and the weed series he's doing. Watch all of his videos. You're going to learn a ton of information. So thanks again, John, for all you do for this lawn care community. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm Ben the Lawn Guardian, and I'll see you in the next video.